Hello iPhone users. So in shared albums, what you're gonna do is you're gonna explore with me. You can delete the items by yourself, right? First. Second, you can comment. So you go to any of the photos, videos, you slide it down and you see posted by this person. So you're just gonna mention at the comment. Timing will be mentioned. You can hide the comment as well if you want to, and you can share this thing also, and you can like the comment also. So this is interesting. You can like the photo also, right? And you can delete it from shared album if you have the access by the owner, right? If they allow you, you can share the photos, you can download it, you can export unmodified original. So for downloading videos, it's gonna take time, I'm 100% sure. As more the long video is, the size is more, it's gonna take time. So you're gonna wait and wait until it is in your gallery, right? Or if you wanna share someone as well, or put in drive, or just send it or airdrop it, you're gonna take time. If the I have mentioned more features in other videos in comparison to as if you are owner or not, so you can check it out in the channel. Tada.